Hi, I'm David Hauser, owner of Morningstar Doors and Windows, and today we're bringing you a how-to. Make sure to subscribe, follow us on Instagram at Morningstar Doors and Windows. If you like this, hit the like button and leave a comment. This is going to be a tutorial on how to remove a sash. So now we're going to be taking a look at the Weather Shield casement. Their mechanism for the casements is slightly different than the Windcore, so I want to show you how it works. First step is we're going to unlock the casement, pull the crank mechanism open. Notice how there's a little lever here. This is spring loaded. This will allow you to lock it in the open position or fold it back down. We want to get it to the bottom position like this. This will easily allow you to remove the screen. Once the screen is out of the way, we're going to crank this out. Now, similar to what I mentioned on the Windcore, where you're going to want a helper, same thing applies here, as this is slightly more complicated to remove than the other one. So I'm going to pretend again to be the guy on the outside, and I'm going to want you to come over here and we'll take a look. So we're going to want to crank this open as much as we can to where we could access the pins. So the first thing we're going to look at is right here. So we have one on the bottom and one on the top. These utilize a 7/32 Allen key to adjust it, by the way. We're going to get into that in another video, but if you need to know, that little pin right there will allow you to move the sash up or down. It's connected with this piece here. So you're going to want to grab like a flat tip screwdriver and basically just put it right in the center there and pop that out. Now if that's out, you could push it up like this. Same with this. We're going to pop that over. That will disengage that guy. Okay? Now keep your hand on the sash. We're going to do the same for the top up here. Pop that out, bring it over. Now once you have that off, there's one more in the corner. Get it, pop that out. It's basically all these little clips that you have to take out, okay? And we're gonna get the hardware out of the way a bit, okay? So now that you have all the mechanisms disengaged, you might think, what's going on? I can't get it out. There's a little spring-loaded mechanism right here. You have to hold it down and then press it over, and then hold it down. Right here, and get it past, and then she'll slide out. So it's a little bit more intricate, but it's held in place really well from the factory. That's how you remove it. So now we're going to do the reverse and put the sash back in. That way you could review and make sure you don't have a mistake. Again, always do casements with a helper. Can't stress that enough. Okay? So just like with the other one, we want to get the top end first, and you're going to be putting the shoe into a little section. So now that you have the sash back in, and just to show you the safety feature built in, it can't fall out. So at this point, you just want to kind of line this up, set the pin here, and then you're going to take your putty knife or whatever you're using and pop that in, and then the same for the bottom. So you're just going to slide this over, put it on the pin, and slide that over. Now that those are in, we just have to connect these and then we're done. So what we're going to do is bring this back out. Pop that in, and then the last one is over here. Again, this one you might need a little push just like that, and that's it. She's all set.